Hello guys, Olivia here, your pretty and maarteng tarot reader. Welcome again to another video. And for this video, this is for singles only. Kung ikaw ay single and open to receive manliligaw, mga nag-a-admire, like totally open for a new person. This is for you. Ano ang kailangan mo malaman before entering a new relationship. But before we proceed, I would like to say my thank you to all those supporting my daily live sa aking main account. My main account, nakalagay siya sa bio ng profile na ito. So, if you want to join our free yes or no live daily, check niyo po yung aking main account. So yeah, let's see kung ano ang message for you, single. Okay. So again, kung ikaw ay single, like open to date a new person, like cleanly over na yung past, this one's for you. Ano ang message for you ng baraha before entering a new relationship? We got Knight of Wands, Death card, the Lovers, Eight of Swords, Page of Pentacles. Last is Four of Pentacles. So yan. Una kong nakita sa mga baraha mo is andito yung excitement na. Excited ka nang kumilala ng bago or kilalanin yung bagong person na to. Karamihan sa inyo, like, totally single pa, like, hindi pa kumakausap ng iba, hindi pa nag-entertain, kumbaga. And, yung past connection mo, it ended na talaga, like, everything ay sarado na. But then again, kahit na andito yung excitement mo, you're still, aside from pagiging maingat, mas inaalagaan mo na yung self mo. You look after yourself na. Right now, mas strict ka na, mas firm ka na, mas clear ka na. But yeah, before you enter sa bagong relationship, make sure na hindi siya masyadong mabilis. Kasi madalas, hindi ko man nilalahat, yung mabilis na facing ng relationship, nagkakaroon ng alam mo yung parang nagiging blinded ka sa ibang sides ng person na kadil mo or even yourself. Be open. You're really open to get to know someone here. And yeah, you're also learning to, alam mo yung may bago kang love language na natutunan or mga bagong love languages na natututunan na you're very very excited to share it with someone else. Meron, I don't know if you're into sports lately, so pwede ring makilala mo yung bago mo something na related sa sports. And there's also may nakikita kong image sa isang gallery ng phone. Meron kang parang ina-eye na yellow dress. So yeah, you might also meet someone na very tahimik. Yeah, but then again, be careful on excitement, yung mabilisang apoy. Make sure na magsa-step back ka muna before diving into that official na relationship. Make sure as well that you're fully open sa communication. Your heart might be open, but your mind, your communication access, I'm sorry, medyo may pagkaano pa siya dito, slow, or somehow parang sarado pa siya, urong-sulong pa, hindi pa ganun ka-clear. So, practice being clear and communicative this time. Kung isa yun sa naging rason kung bakit kayo nagkaroon ng separation ng person mo, this time you have to make sure you'll never repeat that cycle anymore. And also be open to somehow loosen your grip, loosen yourself up. You're not in that fight or flight mode na relationship anymore. Alam mo yung you're being careful na mag-express kasi baka masaktan yung ganito, masaktan si ganito. But this time you have to break free from that thought. You have to be more communicative, be more mentally open. Not just ikaw, but be open also to listen to the people na ready to be part of your life this time. And right now again, ang nakikita ko dito, you are someone na very reserved despite of being excited na kumilala ng bago, but at the same time very observant ka. And you might as well use that as a guide na mas maging observant ka sa pagkilala mo ng mga bagong tao sa buhay mo. Be open, be honest, be communicative, be clear kung ano yung gusto at hindi mo gusto. Hindi lang because napipressure ka, or this person is good looking, this person is very generous, this person is very physically ideal mo siya. Be very observant, be very open as well to your bodies, to how your body communicates sa'yo towards talking to or being open sa mga bagong tao. So yeah, this is your reading for today, and I hope nakatulong. If you want a private reading with me, lahat ng social media ko ay nasa description. Yeah, and thank you so much. Bye!